Hi guys, welcome back. I did post 2 videos of my tornado puncher too. I kind of feel bad, so I'm gonna show you how to make it. So first, go to the car settings thing. Get this car again, and then go here, and it actually acquires this Game Pass again. And then when you're done doing that, then get the props, then go here, and then place this. Make sure it looks good. But before you do that, if you want to make my tornado puncher too, just add these, then put it a little small. And make sure it's the small one so it can fit the car. So make sure. Boom. And then bap. And then try to go to the search thing, or try to go to your clock thing, and then put any of this tornado things. So I'm gonna put this. And then this is the part where I hate it so much, guys. And you're wondering why I hate it so much? Watch this. I gotta wait a second, and especially, you can't even talk. You can't even talk with this, because you can also do it with the sign, but also wait. So that's too much. Oh my god. So guys, I'm just gonna skip until it's there. Okay guys, I finally got it. Now what you would need to do is go here, get this, put it like this. Make sure you're in a private server so you can get 500 props. And the bigger thing, make sure it's this size. If it don't fit right here, then add it again. If it finally fit, then make it bigger. Put it down a little bit. When you're done putting it down, make it to this color. When it's done being that color, then go right here. You don't have to add it again. Just place this. Then when you're done adding that, then go down. Then make sure it's this color. Then when you're done doing that, then make sure to add this. Yes, this is what my tornado puncher look like if it was quad. And then place it like this. Make it down, and then just put it like that. Then when you're done putting it like that, color it to this. And then go right here, and then add this. And then get it, put it like this. Oh, if it usually does that, it's not actually on the car. So wait until it won't let you go more. Like this. Yeah, like that. To make sure it's like this, add it to the car collection. And then make sure to go to these guns, pick this one, and then add it in one of the shields. And then make it go down, and then put it like this. And then go for the other side, and then place it like this. Then go down, and then do this. When you're done doing that, and if it look ugly, at least you tried your best. Because if you just try, it would just only take, yeah. Now Your car almost should be ready. Just add this last finishing touch. Go here, get this, and then place it up. Then make sure it's tornado. So tornado puncher. 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 Then when you're done doing that, oh my god, dude. Just place it like this. Then make it like this. I'm gonna put it for you to see. Yeah, tornado puncher. And then put it right here. And then the last finishing touch, make sure to go out. It's kind of simple. Go to the gun, scroll down. It's not really the last finishing touch. When you're done doing that, then go to these glass plant. And then select this item. And then it's ready. And press it so you can spin it. And it's very cool. Oh my god. Bye guys. If you liked that video, make sure to subscribe. Bye. And guys, in the future, this is what my tornadoes would be looking on. Guys, this is my tornado, but in the future, it's like a cyborg tornado, and I'm gonna have like a cyborg storm chaser. Yes, only in the future, like 2027. And I'm not joking. In the future, or probably 10 years when Edge Defense is updating. And then, BAP. Then let me just add this blue smoke. And then your cyborg tornado and your tornado puncher 2 should be ready. Anagadaga. CD, don, 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 don. Dun 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 ah oof ah guys, I'm making by the way guys, by the way, I am posting. I did already post Melon cheated on her girlfriend part 10. Part 11 is gonna be the last one, but I'm gonna post part 11 on part at 9 o'clock, so stay tuned. Okay, if you like my tutorial, make sure to subscribe. Bye bye. On a good